Why is my dryer not heating? Imagine pulling clothes out of the washer and tossing them into the dryer, only to find they come out damp and cold. That can be frustrating, but let's explore what might be causing this issue. First, check the power supply. Electric dryers need 140 volts, which come from a double circuit breaker in your home's electrical panel. If one side trips, the dryer runs but doesn't heat. Resetting the breaker can often fix this. For gas dryers, ensure the gas valve is fully open and the gas supply is steady. If the gas isn't flowing properly, the dryer won't produce heat. Next, look at the heating element if you have an electric dryer. The heating element is a coil that heats up when electricity flows through it. If it's cracked or broken, it won't generate heat. You can test it with a multimeter to see if it's working. If it's faulty, replacing the heating element is usually straightforward and costs around $50 to $100, with a repair time of about 30 minutes. The thermostats also play a role. They control the temperature inside the dryer. If a thermostat is faulty or stuck open, it can prevent the dryer from reaching the right heat. Testing thermostats involves using a multimeter to check for continuity. If they're bad, replacing them is necessary. A safety device called a thermal fuse can blow if the dryer overheats. If this fuse is blown, the dryer won't heat at all. You can find the fuse near the heating element or blower wheel. It's usually a small, rectangular part. Replacing a blown thermal fuse costs about $10 to $20 and takes around 10 minutes. Airflow is another key factor. A clogged lint filter or blocked vent system can cause the dryer to overheat or shut off the heat as a safety measure. Always clean the lint filter after each load. Also, clear the vent hose and external vent cover every 6 months to keep air flowing freely. Good airflow helps the dryer heat efficiently and prevents overheating. Sometimes the dryer settings are the problem. If it's set to an air fluff or eco mode, it won't produce heat. Double-check the control panel and make sure it's on a heat setting like high or medium. Also, moisture sensors can sometimes malfunction, causing the dryer to stop heating early. If you notice the dryer stops mid-cycle or clothes stay damp, it might be a sensor issue. Wiring problems can also cause heating issues. Loose or damaged wires, especially around the heating element and thermostats, can interrupt power flow. If you're comfortable with electrical work, you can inspect these connections. Otherwise, calling a professional is the safest choice. In many cases, these simple checks can solve the mystery of a dryer not heating. Resetting the breaker, cleaning vents, verifying settings, and inspecting components often fix the problem without needing costly repairs. Remember, appliances are made of electrical, mechanical, and airflow parts working together. When one piece falters, it affects the whole system. So, a little troubleshooting can go a long way to getting your dryer back to work.